Christian,
Oo, ano yan?
may gusto lang akong tanong sa'yo.
Sige lang.
Ano plano mo pag namatay ka?
Um, ang awkward, di ba? Pero seryoso, ano mararamdaman mo pag natanong ka ng ganun? Anong plano mo once nawala ka? Anong iiwan mo sa family mo once you cross the other line? In this video, let's talk about one of the most crucial investments. Pero sadly, hindi napapansin dito sa Pilipinas. An investment that's very personal to me. And we're starting right now. What's up mga kabigi banks? Again, this is Christian Rivera, aka Daddy Biggie Bank. If you're new here, we make videos about personal finance, self-improvement, at kung ano-ano pa on a weekly basis. So please, like, share, and subscribe para updated ka. Let's talk about life insurance. Kailangan ba to? Do you even need to prioritize this even in this time of pandemic? If yes, how much should you need? Should you get it while you're young, strong, and able? Or when you're older and more established? We're going to answer those questions and more in this video. I just want to say, I'm a financial slash insurance advisor. Meaning, I sell insurance for a living. Pero, hindi po ako magbebenta dito sa video na to. I want you to do your own studies before mo pasukan to. I want you to do your own effort first to know what's the perfect plan and perfect financial advisor for you. With that out of the way, let's start. So, ano nga ba yung life insurance? Basically, it's a contract between you and the insurance company. In exchange of your premium payments or yung mga hulog mo sa kanila, the insurance company will pay you a lump sum known as a death benefit to your beneficiaries kapag nawala ka. Yun ang basic concept ng life insurance. In the world of investment, may iba't ibang klase dito. May mga investment na magpapataas ng pera mo. Meron din naman ng mga investment na magpe-preserve ng kapital mo. And there are also investments na will give you liquidity. Meaning, once kailangan mo ng pera, ready to withdraw agad sila. Pero, there are investments that will give you protection. And for me, these are the most important. The building blocks of your investment life. Hindi ka papayamanin ng mga to. Hindi papalakihin ng pera mo nito. Pero should anything happens to you, you and your family will be protected. You have to understand this. Lahat tayong may goals. Gusto natin na pamilya natin mabuhay na masarap, na masaya. Pero may mga bagay na hindi natin control. At doon papasok si insurance. Na yung goals mo, magko-continue. Your goals will live on even beyond you. Ito po let's say pumili ka na sasakyan. Anong uunahin mo? Insurance, di ba? Bakit? Paano pag nagasgasan? Just in case madisgrasya, at least protected. Tama naman. Pero nakakatawa lang isipin, di ba? Yung kotse, kahit magkano yung insurance niyan, carry lang. Pero yung driver, wala na insurance yan, ingat-ingat na lang. Ay. Now, hindi naman po natin alam kung kailan mangyayari yung mga unforeseen events na yan. Hindi naman po natin alam kung kailan tayo makakaroon ng motor accident. Hindi rin naman po natin alam kung kailan tayo mawawala. Tama ba? Pero, may nagsabi sa akin, Chrissy, maingat naman ako. Hindi ko kailangan yung insurance niya. Hindi ko naman magagamit yan eh. Eh di good. maganda kung hindi mo magagamit yan. Pero I don't think there's a person na araw-araw excited, iniisip niya, kailan kaya ma-aksidente? Kailan kaya mamatay? Kailan ko kaya magagamit yung insurance ko? Kailan ko kaya magagamit insurance ko? 1 million din yun. Since pandemic, one of the leading questions that I get is, kailangan pa bang kumuha niyan? Eh, dagdag gastos lang yan. Dagdag expense lang yan. If you're complaining about the high cost of living, I guess you don't know the high cost of dying. Yung gastos even after ng living. The cost that I'm talking about is leaving your family with nothing. The cost that I am talking about is leaving your family na utang lang. The truth about life insurance is it will save you money in the long run. Imagine mo wala ka na, di ba? Pero yung goals mo for your family is still sustainable. Nauna ka na. Pero yung family mo magkakaroon ng pera that will help them cope up with your loss. Tama ba? I'll keep repeating this. Nagkaroon na ng recession noon. At magkakaroon ulit in the future. 7 years, 10 years from now, magkakaroon ulit na recession. No one knows how our country will react. No one knows how our economy will be at that time. Pero what I know is there is something that will cover me, that will protect me. Kahit ano mangyari, magkasakit ako, mamatay ako, okay lang. And that leaves a lot of uncertainty behind. You have to understand that insurance is very crucial at these times. Sige nga, wala kang mga anak. You might even be single while you're watching this. Baka hindi ka pa breadwinner. Pero, preparation time is never wasted time. The younger you prepare for these things, the younger that you've done your work, mas madali while you're getting more older and more mature. There's another set of people who are telling me, Christian, I'm still young. Tsaka na lang yan. Pre, walang work ko to eh. Wala namang problema doon. Pera mo yan eh. Enjoyin mo. Pero you have to think, habang tumatanda ka, nag-iiba priorities mo. I'll give you an example Habang bata ka, anong ginagawa mo sa pera mo? Food, travel, kape, milk tea, milk tea. I am not telling you to give up those things. Pero, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. The very first step that you will take, it will always be the hardest. Pero padali siya na padali after you've taken that first step. Habang tumatanda ka, nagbabago na rin priorities mo. Just think about it. After college, so you have rent, electricity, doon mo na rin makikilala si Aling Judith at si Kuya Bill. After nun, infant formula, diapers, vitamins sa PB. Pagkatapos naman nun, we have college, education, magamit. So, saan may papasok doon? Sa insurance. Ang dami na pupuntahan ng sahod mo, ng pera mo. So, when is the best time to insure yourself? Always remember, the earlier you buy, the cheaper it becomes. Habang tumatanda ka, pamahal ng pamahal to until the time na hindi mo na siya ma-afford. Or, can afford mo nga, uninsurable ka naman. As a financial advisor, ito advice ko. Once you get your first job, especially if you're the breadwinner, life insurance yung unang achieve mo. Ito yung unang i-prioritize mo. Another group of people are telling me, Christian, I have the money. Gusto ko yumaman. Dadalhin ko na lang pera ko sa stocks. Dadalhin ko na lang sa bonds. Tama naman. as long as you do your own studies and research about your personal finances. Pero you have to understand, these things come hand in hand. Ang bonds mo is used to protect your capital. Stocks is used for growing your funds. Ang insurance, it's only going to do one thing. Pero that one thing is very important, and that is protecting you. You have to use your insurance for a guaranteed amount if ever may mangyari sa'yo. Kasi 5 to 10 years from now, hindi mo alam kung magkano yung laman ng stocks mo. Hindi mo alam kung magkano ba yung bigay sa'yo na interest ng mga investments mo. You don't even know kung magagawa mo pa yung nagagawa mo na physically. In terms of proper financial planning, life insurance is at its base and foundational to. Meaning, before ka kumuha ng mga risk investments tulad ng stocks, bonds, you need to build your base first. Ganon siya ka-importante. It's there to give you protection na hindi lang puro kita yung makukuha mo. It's also being responsible about your money. So, should you get insurance? Actually, hindi siya tanong na should you get insurance. Pero, it's a question of what insurance plan fits your needs. What might work for me might not work for you. Yung iba mas kailangan ng mas konti. Pero yung iba, mas kailangan ng mas malaking coverage sa insurance nila. You have to check your numbers. You have to study your finances. Kaya nga po ang tawag sa kanya is personal finances. You should look for an insurance that fits your needs. Kailangan mo ba life insurance lang? Do you need something that covers for your health? Or do you need something that will help you kasi you're earning for something big in the future? Insurance is not talked about masyado when it comes to investing. Hindi naman kasi siya yung super exciting na magpapayaman sa'yo na will give you awesome returns. Talk to your financial advisor or I'll leave my Facebook link below para if you need help looking for the perfect plan for you, you can just message me. To close this, it's better to build assets kaysa bumili ka ng mga gamit na 5 to 10 years from now wala na sa. Think of the cell phones na binili mo from the last decade. Nasa na sila? Imagine all the rubber shoes that you purchased. Nakatambak na lang, di ba? I'll make more videos regarding insurance, mga misconceptions, secrets, at ano-ano pa para makatulong at mas malinawan regarding sa investment na to. I hope po na marami po kayo nakuha dito sa video na to. And thank you so much for your time watching this. I'll see you on the next episode. See ya.